It's your boy Josh. Hope everybody's having a great day today. It's currently about 2 days ago since I bought this car. Let's check it out. It's 2011 Dodge Challenger RT. Here it is. Does have a cool little wrap to it. I did get the coolant reservoir. They needed it. I'll show you guys in a second why. But yeah, pretty cool. Cool little wrap in the middle. Red wrap. It does have a resonator delete. It sounds super nice. I'll turn it on right now for y'all. Resonator delete and intake. That's what it came with. The inside interior is super nice. Don't mind my water bottles. Gotta drink that water. But interior is really nice. Mind you, I got a good ass price for this thing, so I ain't mad. It does need a few little things. It's plastic dip, so I might take this off. Yeah. Hey, yep, super clean, guys. 6-speed manual. So I'm loving that. Of course, I had to get that manual. I was gonna settle with the SRT 8 Dodge Charger, but those don't come manual. No Chargers come manual. I'm sure you already know that. So, yep, had to get this thing. Even though I got the 6.1 engine, the SRT 8, had to get this one. This one's the RT 5.7. So, yeah. For sure. Oh, look at that thing right there. Ow, that hurt. But it does for sure. It does for sure need a drop, cause that's too high. Get the wheel gap on this shit. And I got no tread. Gotta get some tires. But the wheel gap is real. Let me know, y'all, if I should get springs or some coilovers. I need help, cause it's gonna be my first build, first solid project. Hopefully this thing don't break my heart. It does have 170k miles, so I'm gonna just try to do my best in maintaining it. Let me know what I could do to help. You know, keep the car running. And yeah, driving good. And no heartbreaks, guys. I had a 2008 Mazda Speed 3, and man, that shit took a shit on me. So let me know down in the comments below what I could do to keep this thing running. And yeah, now if I should get coilovers or springs, because this shit needs a drop for sure. All right, let's get that started for y'all. Yep, so still gotta get that two resonators deleted. But that was it. Can't wait. Might even go straight pipe. I do want to cam this thing soon, so let me know what I should do. I'll show you the engine. Engine's pretty clean. I didn't see no oil stains or nothing, not even at the bottom. So intake is dirty. I don't know if I should try to get a new one, but this is what I was talking about. So it does kind of leak a little. When it sizzles up, it kind of, damn, it's still hot. When it sizzles up, it just feels like it wants to come out. So might as well get a new one of that. put some new coolant in there too. I don't want to open it. R7. Yeah, that's it, guys. New project for the channel. Let me know what y'all think. Comment down below what I should do to it. Coilovers or springs. For sure getting those resonators deleted soon. Might be a while because I do have to change the clutch and all sorts of other stuff because, you know, used cars, so it's the way life goes. 170k miles and still going, of course. I heard these cars are good, so I ain't worried. But I just gotta really maintenance and take care of the beast. So let me know down below what you want to see done to it. Actually, like I said, I do want to cam it. Let it get that brop 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 sound and stuff. And yeah, I don't know what else. For sure tune. I'm gonna get a tune on this thing. Maybe a oil catch can. And yeah, other stuff soon to come. So let me know, guys, and stay tuned. Here goes the new reservoir. Looks like it's gonna come out good. Or it's the same thing. Coolness over there. Also ended up getting the new oil and the filter. But oil seems pretty good still, so I'll see if I change it later on or if not. Right now, I don't know yet. But oil's still good, so. But I'm sure you guys are watching this and probably thinking like, oh boy, you better change that oil. Even though it still looks good, you should still change it, you know? So maybe by the time I upload this, it might be done. Maybe not, I don't know. It looks the same though. Gotta install this bitch. So just wait for the cool off. Man, guys, look at this. This is so bad. Oh, and just mind you, this is my first vlog and my first video ever posted on YouTube, so don't judge me. But it's okay if you do, I don't care. But yeah, just bear with me, guys. But look, check this out. Shit, hella dirty up in there. It looks funky. Like if you could see, oh, you could kind of see it. I'm trying to focus it, but if you could see like in person how nasty this looks, like it look like pudding, boy. Yeah, this thing for sure needs to change. I feel bad. Don't worry. When it's leaking and stuff, I'm gonna have this baby running good. Well, it's running good, but you know, just my way of having a car. So let's take a look under the car, guys. Well, I checked under it before I bought it, obviously, but I was so happy I don't see no oil stains whatsoever on this thing, like, or gunk. Like, it's just literally dusty under here. Oh, there's a oil filter. But yeah, it's really actually clean. There you go, the cats. I think those are the regulators right there. Gotta zoom in. Yep, those boys about to get cut off for sure. No muffler in the back, so. Yep. And my dummy self jacked it on the wrong side, but it's my first time doing this on this car, so gotta put the jack on the other side. Fuck it. Yeah, almost looks like oil. It's nasty. About to put some brand new coolant in there. Don't you worry. I think I might just do the oil change, guys. Filter is right there, and I already have it jacked up, so why wait? Fuck it again. This nasty ass shit, guys. I just stuck my hand in here in the hole. Look, gunky, thick, chunky, look like caca, bruh. It's crazy. Out with the old, in with the new. Yep. Changing the air filter. My baby couldn't breathe right in this thing. Barely see through it. Got the new one right here. And just like that, we done. So we're finally done, everybody. Coolant is flushed and changed, and the oil change is done. So this baby's gonna be riding good. You know what's crazy though? The last owner, was running it with pure water, so I had to flush it like 3 times. I actually bought some Blue Devil for it, so I gotta put that in. But I'm gonna just let the new coolant kind of wash it a little bit, drive it for a little. Then I'm gonna re-rinse it, re-wash it, and then put the new some other coolant, some brand new coolant in there. Hopefully I should do it for the rust, cause it takes off all the rust and stuff with this Blue Devil what I bought for it. So we're gonna see. So yeah, everybody, so far I'm really happy I have this car. This is a great platform, to be honest. I'm just happy to have a VA and a manual standard all day every day, boys. So that's all I go for. But yeah, I'm excited to see what I end up doing with this thing. I'm gonna change everything up, make it like a I just put the police scanner on here too. I'm excited to use that. But yeah, I feel cool with it. But yeah, can't wait to see what I do with it. I for sure want to cam it. It's gonna sound nasty with the cam. Like I said, all it has is a resonator delete, so I do gotta get the other a muffler delete. I do gotta get the resonators taken off, so it's gonna sound louder with that. But really can't wait to cam it, make more horsepower and stuff. Another thing I need you guys to tell me, to help me with, comment down below what stage clutch I should get, because I do need a new clutch for this thing. So I'm not new to this, but I mean, I've never had a platform like this that I'm actually gonna put my hands and really, you know, give my time, blood and sweat on. So I'm really excited. I can't wait. But let me know. Some people are telling me stage 2 is more expensive or whatever. Less horsepower, obviously. Damn, this thing going crazy. But I don't even know how to use this thing yet. But yeah, stage 2 is less horsepower, obviously. Stage 3 more, it could withstand more horsepower. I think it's harder when you press down. I'm not even sure, but maybe I should just go stage 3. Might as well. I don't know how much horsepower I'm gonna get with this thing, or end up getting with this thing yet. But I think stage 2, they said it can only withstand 600 horsepower. I'm not even sure, but let me know down in the comments below, because I'm still kind of new to all this. And yeah, stage 2, stage 3, coilovers, springs, I don't know. Let me know, guys. And I'm gonna change this whole thing up, so just stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day and stay blessed.